So next, we're going to move from talking about mentorship to talking about menteeship. And so here I am going to ask some questions of one of my own mentees, Dr. Grace Chao, who's going to talk to us about being an excellent mentee, and then in particular, something that she's very good at, mentoring up when you have a distracted mentor in particular. So Dr. Chao, tell us a little bit about being a good mentee and mentoring up when you have a mentor who gets distracted with their day job.
Thanks so much for that question, Dr. Dimick. I think that a big part of thinking about yourself as a mentee is realizing that mentorship is not just top down, which is what I always used to think. It's a relationship between two people. And so you as a mentee have to engage. And one of the ways that I think you can effectively engage is through what Dr. Dimick mentioned, which is this idea of mentoring up. So this includes doing things like giving enough time beforehand for your mentor to review whatever it is you want to review with them, sending them a proposed agenda for the time you have, which I think is especially important during COVID when there's so many other distractions and you really have a very precious short amount of time with your mentors usually. And reasons to do this mentoring up is, first, people can't read your mind. And so you need to make sure that you make your needs known to your mentor and what exactly it is that you need in order to help yourself grow. So it'll also help you to maximize your learning in that time. And instead of using time to figure out what you're going to discuss during the meeting and losing those few minutes, you have already a plan in place, and your mentor comes in also knowing how they can best help you to grow. And lastly, it leaves time in between in order to really give you that time that we don't have now that we're in the virtual world to connect with your mentor. Usually you could see them in the hallway or chat with them or grab coffee with them, but now really you're restricted to that time. And so it also leaves a few extra minutes to catch up and to make sure that you grow your relationship with your mentor in other ways.